Hello friends, welcome to Hustle 24 IAS. Today we are going to solve the question number 6 of OPSC Preliminary Examination 2021. We have already solved the question number 1 to 5. So today we are going to solve the question number 6. Before moving forward to the discussion, there is a special request for all of you. If you have liked the earlier videos and if you do like this video, then please hit the like icon, share it among your friends, and please subscribe our YouTube channel. Please subscribe our YouTube channel Hustle 24 IAS. Okay, so now our discussion. Question number 6. Question number 6 says, consider the following statements in respect of Panchayat Raj institution in India. There are actually four statements given with respect to Panchayat Raj institution in India, and the question asked which of the following statements are correct. Okay. The first statement: every panchayat has a right to receive grantee aid from state fund on recommendations made by Niti Aayog. This one is incorrect, wrong, because Niti Aayog has nothing to do with this. Okay. This should have been State Finance Commission. Okay. Okay, Niti Aayog is wrong. State Finance Commission would have been correct. Okay. Double I, so statement Y is wrong. Double I, the assigned or shared revenues are one which is collected by state government but shared or transferred to local bodies. This one is correct. Second statement is correct. Third, State Finance Commission recommends transfer of financial resources from center to states. Wrong. Actually, it should have been from states to panchayats or local bodies or municipalities. Okay. So, statement 3 is wrong. Fourth, the State Finance Commission created under Article 243I reviews the financial position of panchayat and municipality. This is very correct. In fact, State Finance Commission has been constituted with this purpose itself. Okay, to review the financial position of panchayat and municipalities. So, statement IV is correct. Okay, so statement AA and IV are correct. I and AAA are wrong. So, which of the following statements are correct? AA and IV, option A. Correct answer is option A. Okay, now we are moving forward to the detailed answer. Okay, these are the provisions of 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act 1992. So, we are going to see what are the provisions of 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act 1992, which deals with the local self-government in panchayats. Okay, we know there is another one. There is 74th Constitutional Amendment Act. Okay, which deals with local government in municipalities. Today we are going to discuss about the local government or local self-government of panchayats, because the question is asking about the local self-government of panchayats. Okay, so now finances. How the finances of panchayats will be created or arranged. Okay, who will provide for that? According to 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act 1992, it is the state legislature which will provide mechanisms for that. Okay, the state legislature may authorize panchayat to levy, collect and appropriate taxes, duties, tolls and fees. Okay, and assign to a panchayat taxes, duties, tolls and fees which are levied and collected by the state government. First provision is state government can say that panchayat itself can levy, collect and appropriate taxes, duties, tolls or fees by itself. Okay, state government can also provide mechanism by which state government can levy and collect taxes, duties, tolls and fees and later assign it to panchayats. Okay, either panchayats are going to collect by themselves or state government is going to collect and later assign it to panchayats. Okay, what? The resources of taxes, duties, tolls, fees. Okay, and C, provide for state legislature can provide for making grantee aid to panchayats from consolidated fund of the state. We know there is a consolidated fund of India, okay, which deals with the finances of the central government. Okay, similarly there is a consolidated fund of the state which deals with the finances of the state government. Okay, so it is the consolidated fund of the state from which grantee aid should be made to the panchayats, and state legislature may provide for that mechanism. Okay. Fourth, D, state legislature may provide for constitution of funds for crediting all monies of panchayats. Okay, that means state legislature may construct or create a fund or may provide for constitution of funds for crediting all monies of panchayats. Next, who is going to create the State Finance Commission? Okay, or who is going to construct the State Finance Commission? Okay, it is the governor of the state. The governor of a state shall, after every 5 years, constitute a State Finance Commission or constitute a Finance Commission to review the financial position of panchayats. In this case, panchayats, because we are talking about the panchayats, actually it should have been panchayats and municipalities. Okay, which is statement IV. Statement IV is correct. Okay, so State Finance Commission reviews the financial position of panchayat and municipalities. Okay, and who is going to construct the State Finance Commission? It is the governor of the state in after every 5 years. Okay, and this State Finance Commission is mentioned in Article 243I. Okay, now if the State Finance Commission is going to be constructed by the governor, what is the role of State Finance Commission? Okay, the State Finance Commission is going to make following recommendations to the governor. Okay, regarding what? Regarding the principles that should govern the distribution between state and the panchayats of the net proceeds of taxes, duties, tolls and fees levied by the state, and allocation of shares among panchayats at all levels. That means resources are going to be distributed between the state and the panchayats. Who is going to lay down the principles? The State Finance Commission. Okay, and the second rule is what? The allocation of shares among the panchayats at all levels. Okay, next, the principles that govern the determination of taxes, duties, tolls, fees that may be assigned to the panchayats. Okay, they are the taxes, duties, tolls, fees are the resources which are going to be assigned to the panchayats from the consolidated fund of the state. Okay, or so who is going to lay down the principles? Okay, the State Finance Commission. Next, the grants in aid to the panchayats from the consolidated fund of the state. So who is going to lay down the principle? The State Finance Commission. Next, the measures needed to improve the financial position of panchayats. We know it is the State Finance Commission which makes recommendations regarding the measures needed to improve the financial position of the panchayats. Next, any other matter referred to it by the governor in the interest of sound finance of the panchayats. Okay, that means if any other matter which is going to be referred to the State Finance Commission by the governor in the interest of sound finance of the panchayats, that recommendation is also going to be done by, or that matter will also be handled by the State Finance Commission. The state legislature may provide for the composition of the commission, required qualification of its members and the manner of their selection. That means how the State Finance Commission is going to be constructed. Okay, who is going to provide for mechanism? Who is going to provide for mechanism for that? Okay, who is going to provide the mechanism for that? It is the state legislature. State legislature has few rules with respect to State Finance Commission. What are those? First, the composition of the State Finance Commission. Okay. Second, the required qualification of the members of the State Finance Commission. Third, the manner of their selection. Okay, these will be provided by the state legislature. Okay. Next, the governor shall place the recommendations of the State Finance Commission and the action taken report before the state legislature. Okay, the governor shall place what are the recommendations of the State Finance Commission and what action the government has taken regarding this report. Okay, the governor will place that report before the state legislature. Now there is also a role of Central Finance Commission. The Central Finance Commission shall also suggest the measures needed to augment the consolidated fund of a state to supplement the resources of the panchayats in the states. That means we know the State Finance Commission is going to make recommendations to improve the financial position of the panchayats. Okay, the Central Finance Commission has a role here. The Central Finance Commission can also suggest how the consolidated fund of the state is going to be augmented or increased so that the consolidated fund of the state, or the you can say the state government, can provide resources to the panchayats. Okay, that means objective is the panchayats will be resourceful. Panchayats will be resourceful. How? Because the consolidated fund of the state is going to develop its resources to the panchayats. Okay, now question arises, how the consolidated fund of the state or the financial position of the consolidated fund of the state can be augmented. The Central Finance Commission can suggest such measures. Okay, so this was question number 6. Okay, now the same appeal. If you have liked our video, then please hit the like button, share it among your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Hassels24IAS. Please subscribe our YouTube channel Hassels24IAS. So you have solved the question number 1 to 6. Now we are going to solve the question number 7 of OPSC Preliminary Examination 2021. We are going to solve all the 100 questions of this OPSC Preliminary Examination of 2021 as well as other previous year question papers of OPSC Preliminary Examination and UPSC Preliminary Examination. So please stay tuned to our YouTube channel and subscribe our YouTube channel Hassels24IAS. Thank you.